Introducing the cutting-edge E88Pro RC Drone, an aerial marvel designed for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its sleek and foldable design, this drone is not only portable but also packs a punch with its advanced features. Equipped with a powerful 816 Coreless Motor and a 3.7V 1800 mAh Lipo battery, the E88 Pro ensures a thrilling 10 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Its 2.4G frequency and 4-channel transmission system provide a stable connection with a range of up to 100 meters. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the choice of either a 1080p or 4K wide-angle HD camera, allowing you to experience crystal-clear images and videos. Utilize the altitude hold mode for steady flight and explore new horizons with the Wi-Fi FPV function, enabling real-time transmission to your smartphone via the dedicated app. Navigate with ease using features like headless mode and one-key automatic return, ensuring a hassle-free flying experience for pilots of all skill levels. Engage in creative flight paths with Trajectory Flight, where you can draw a route on your screen and watch as the drone autonomously follows your design. Safety and durability are paramount with the E88 Pro, boasting a sturdy frame made of high-strength engineering plastics and LED lights for enhanced visibility during night flights, with functions including LED light, altitude hold mode, and 3-level flight speed. This drone offers versatility and excitement with every flight. Unleash your aerial creativity and embark on thrilling adventures with the E88 Pro RC Drone, the ultimate companion for high-flying enthusiasts and photography professionals alike.